You've saved for the down payment. You've secured your pre-approval. You think you're finally ready to buy your first home. But wait. What if I told you that the sticker price of the house is actually the least of your worries? The scariest part of buying a home isn't the monthly mortgage payment itself. It's the silent bank account killers that nobody warns you about until you're re-sitting at the closing table. Today we are uncovering the 5 hidden costs that blindside almost every first-time buyer, threatening to turn the American dream into a financial nightmare if you aren't prepared. The upfront shocks first. Let's talk about the heavy hitter, closing costs. Many buyers mistakenly assume their down payment covers everything, but closing costs, which include appraisal fees, title insurance, and origination fees, can easily run between 2% to 5% of the total loan amount. On a $400,000 home, that is an extra $8,000 to $20,000 due up front. Then, there are property taxes. Unlike rent, this bill never ends, and it often increases the moment the house is reassessed after you buy it. You might budget based on the previous owner's tax bill, only to find yours spike significantly the very next year. The ongoing expenses beyond the transaction itself, you have to factor in the maintenance reality. You generally need to respect the 1% rule, which suggests budgeting 1% of your home's value annually for repairs, because broken water heaters and leaky roofs do uncare about your savings account. You also need to account for homeowners insurance, which is mandatory and currently rising in cost across the country. Finally, do not forget potential HOA fees or private mortgage insurance (PMI) if you put down less than 20%. These are monthly costs that build zero equity but are required to keep your keys. By budgeting for these 5 items now, you ensure you don't just buy a house, but can actually afford to live in it.